It's happening. It's happening. More and more signs that we are in the early, exciting stages of the Bitcoin bull run. So Bitcoin is at just under 38,000. I'm recording this on the 25th of November. It has risen from a low of just under 16,000, which was about a year ago. And that was a fall from a high of 69,000 in November 2021. So it went down for a year. It's been going up for a year. And good times are here, and that's what I'm going to be talking about in this video.
Take the first step towards online privacy. Get NordVPN.
Keep your cryptocurrency super secure with EliPal's Titan 2.0. Discount code with my link bit.ly/CryptoRichEliPal. bit.ly/CryptoRichEliPal. Link in the description below. Now, before I continue, please subscribe, follow me on Twitter, CryptoRichYT, join my official Telegram announcements channel. And if you're watching this on YouTube, come on, please come and register and follow my work on bit.ly/CryptoRichOdyssey and bit.ly/CryptoRich3Speak. Both of those are censorship resistant platforms. Now, for this video, I'm indebted to CryptoCon. His Twitter is CryptoCon_. I'll link to this in the description below. Please go and follow him. He does really, really great cycles analysis, looking at the pattern of Bitcoin over its 4-year cycles. And this tweet came out on November the 23rd, a couple of days ago, and he says the first Bitcoin bull cross on the monthly Fisher transform, and we'll look at what that is in a moment, marks the end of the bear market downtrend. The second bull cross starts the bull run. Now the second cross is here and the green lights are on. Bitcoin white cycles 1 and 3 had powerful first early top runs and much longer drawdown periods to the second bullish cross. The quick swap from the bear cross back to bull again solidifies just how much we are following the 2015 to 2018 cycle. The entirety of the bull run lies ahead. The first cycle struggles are behind us. Now we'll look at that chart in a moment, but first, what is the Fisher transform? And for that, I am indebted to Investopedia. Just remember, I'm not a trader, I'm not a hodler, and this is not investment advice. I'm a qualified child protection social worker, so if you're going to take investment advice from me, not a good idea. Not a good idea. Check it out for yourself. So Investopedia, the Fisher transform is a technical indicator created by John F. Ehlers that converts price into a Gaussian normal distribution. Now, I don't even know what a Gaussian normal distribution is, and I'm not going to look that up because I want this video to be short, but you can check it out for yourself. The Fisher transform indicator highlights when prices have moved to an extreme based on recent prices. This may help in spotting turning points in the price of an asset. It also helps to show the trend and isolate price waves within a trend. So the key takeaways are, it's a technical indicator that normalizes asset prices, so makes turning points in price clearer. So that's key. So it can tell you when the price is going to pivot, when the bear trend is going to go into a bull trend, and when the bull trend is going to go into a bear trend. Some traders look for extreme readings to signal potential price reversal areas, while others watch for a change in direction of the Fisher transform. The Fisher transform formula is typically applied to price, but it can also be applied to other indicators. Asset prices are not normally distributed, so attempts to normalize prices via an indicator may not always provide reliable signals. In essence, the transformation makes peak swings relatively rare events to help better identify price reversals on a chart. This technical indicator is commonly used by traders looking for leading signals rather than lagging indicators. So a lagging indicator, it follows the trend. It says, the trend's going this way, and then the lagging indicator comes along afterwards, lagging. A leading indicator suggests where the trend is likely to go in the future. It can also be applied to other technical indicators such as RSI or the MACD, moving average convergence divergence. And there's a lot more in here, and you can go check that out for yourself. But let's have a look at the chart that Crypto.com uses. So these are monthly candles. Going back to, we got 2011, this big candle here, the first early cycle top here, according to the Fisher transform. And what happens is the blue line crosses under the red line, and then it stays, and then it crosses over, and then we get a bullish momentum, as we did here, and that was in early 2012. So then here it crosses under, suggesting a bearish reversal, which is what happened there. But then it crossed over here and we went bullish again until here. And when the blue line crossed under, and then we had this bear trend here, and that was in 2014. And then it dipped to this point, which is mid 2015. And the price of Bitcoin then was, let's have a look, about $500, I think it was, going across. And then it crossed over, the blue line crossed over here where this green bar is, and then we had this steady cycle curve. This is the 2015 to 2018 bull run, and I remember it well because this was the crazy ICO season. And then Bitcoin topped off at just under $20,000, and then the price dropped, and you can see here that the blue line crossed down. Now it crossed down here, but we didn't really have a bear trend here. But it went back up and crossed down, and then we had the bear trend all the way here, the first bull cross. So he's saying there's two bull crosses, indicates a cycle top, indicates the bull run. So this is the first bull cross. It went up, powerful first top early, powerful first early top cycle, and that was in late 2019. Bear cross during the uptrend. So in uptrend, the blue line crosses down. We have a little bear trend here, and then the second bull cross, it crosses over, and then we have this upswing here, which was $69,000, crossed below here, it crossed below here, it crossed up, crossed below here, and now here we've got the first bull cross where the blue line goes over, and here what happened, the blue line dipped down, but then it's gone back up again. So this is the second bull cross, the second time since the last all-time high that the blue line has gone above the red line, which is the second bull cross, which is also what happened here. And based upon that, he's saying, CryptoCon is saying that there's going to be a steady cycle curve, not like this, not like what happened here where it dipped. So it's going. So we are looking at, if this is accurate, we are looking at months and months and months to come of a upward trend. And then in some of his other tweets, he says when it's likely to come, according to his cycles formula, and how much it's likely to be at the next all-time high. Now, I'm not going to tell you that now in this video. So if you have any comments or questions, let me know. Where do you think we're in the full throes of the Bitcoin bull market? Is there going to be massive retracements like some people are saying it's going to go down to 25K or 15K, and some others are saying no, good times are here again? Let me know. In between now and when I see you next, please keep filling your pockets with bull run profits. Crypto Rich signing out. All the best. Bye-bye.